Hello everyone. Want an easy way to send text messages to your customers right from a simple spreadsheet? Maybe for order updates, appointment reminders, or special announcements? Today I'll show you exactly how to set that up using your Twilio phone number, Google Sheets, and an automation tool called Make.com. It's simpler than you think. We'll use Make.com to connect everything seamlessly. And a quick tip, once you're sending texts, you want an easy way to handle any replies. I'll also mention how a tool like live chat can help you manage those conversations effectively. You'll find links for everything I've mentioned in the description below. To get started, it's helpful to have 3 tabs open. First, your Google Sheet, where you'll list the phone numbers and messages. Second, your Make.com account. And third, your Twilio account. Let's quickly check Twilio. You'll need an active Twilio phone number that can send SMS. In your Twilio dashboard, look for phone numbers, and then under Manage, click on Active Numbers. You should see your number listed. If you don't have one yet, you can just click Buy a Number. It's a quick process. In Make.com, to make this super easy, we're going to use a template. On the left-hand side, click Templates. This is a real time saver because it sets up most of the connections for us and we only need to customize it a bit. Now search up Twilio. One of the first things that should pop up is send a Twilio SMS message for new rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Click on that and select Start Guided Setup. After that, click on the Google Sheets icon, select Skip Guided Setup, and fill in all the required information. For the spreadsheet value, I'm going to put the sheet I'm using, which is outbound text messages. You probably would have something different. And for the sheet name, I'm using sheet 1 because that's the only one I have. And then for the ID, I choose all. After you're done with that, click on the Twilio icon and you can get your SID and authentication token if you scroll down on the Twilio homepage. Copy them and paste them onto the required boxes. Select Send a Message from Phone Number and select the active phone number that you're using. Then for the To field, I selected the first column because it had the phone number. And for the Bodies field, I selected the message column. After this, you're all done. Click on Run once and it should work. This won't work for me because I'm using a trial account on Twilio and my phone number isn't registered. And that's it. Now every time you add a new row to your Google Sheet, Make.com will automatically send an SMS message via Twilio. You can adjust how often Make.com checks for new rows and sends messages. The default is every 15 minutes. Keep in mind that the minimum interval can depend on your Make.com plan. For the free plan, the minimum is typically 15 minutes, while paid plans often allow for intervals as short as 1 minute. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.